guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a quick and easy tutorial on how to make any picture fit into your grid on Instagram. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So if you've ever tried to post a meme or some kind of large image to Instagram, but you couldn't fit the whole photo into your grid, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start by opening up the Pixar app and then scrolling down to the bottom where it says colored backgrounds and choosing transparent. From there, you're going to select crop and you're going to crop the transparent background image to the portrait or 5:4 ratio, which is Instagram's photo size. Once you've cropped the image, then you're going to click add photo, and then you can add whatever photo you want. You can resize it to be as large or as little as you want. And then once you save it, you can go ahead and upload it to Instagram and it will fit every time. The background, because it's transparent, will either be white or black depending on either your phone background or the viewer's phone background. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.